Why is Ticketmaster not letting view my tickets? Okay, how to fix this problem in a Ticketmaster? Okay, here you have a guide step by step with the solutions. Okay, the first solution is you log out and sign in. Okay, back in using the exact same email address in the Ticketmaster. Okay, go to the my account, go to the my tickets, upcoming events, and here you have the my tickets. Okay, and the second solution, you the clear cache in your phone or in your navigator. Okay, in the Chrome, for example. Okay, and you clear cache. Okay, in here. Okay, the three solution is if you have a Ticketmaster in your phone, you update the app. Okay, go to the App Store or Play Store and you update the app. This is a solutions. Bye bye.